Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between investment bank and retail bank. Both are important parts of the financial system, but they serve different customers, offer different services, and operate with different objectives. Let us understand the major differences between them one by one. Number 1. An investment bank primarily helps corporations, governments, and institutions raise capital, whereas a retail bank provides banking services directly to individual customers. Number 2. An investment bank offers services such as mergers and acquisitions advisory, underwriting, and securities trading, whereas a retail bank provides savings accounts, loans, credit cards, and payment services. Number 3. An investment bank mainly serves corporations, institutions, governments, and high-net-worth clients, whereas a retail bank serves individual consumers and small businesses. Number 4. An investment bank deals with large transactions worth millions or even billions of dollars, whereas a retail bank handles relatively smaller transactions for everyday banking needs. Number 5. An investment bank earns revenue mainly through advisory fees, underwriting fees, and trading commissions, whereas a retail bank earns revenue through loan interest, account fees, and service charges. Number 6. Revenue in an investment bank is often deal-driven and volatile, whereas revenue in a retail bank is generally more stable and predictable. Number 7. An investment bank faces higher risk due to market fluctuations and transaction uncertainty, whereas a retail bank usually has lower risk because of its diversified customer base. Number 8. An investment bank requires expertise in financial analysis, valuation, and deal structuring, whereas a retail bank requires knowledge of consumer banking and customer relationship management. Number 9. An investment bank is regulated by securities and capital market authorities, whereas a retail bank is mainly regulated by central banking and consumer protection authorities. Number 10. An investment bank often operates globally with offices in major financial centers, whereas a retail bank usually focuses on local, regional, or national markets. Number 11. An investment bank plays a key role in capital formation, mergers, acquisitions, and public offerings, whereas a retail bank supports everyday financial transactions and financial inclusion. Number 12. Employee compensation in an investment bank is generally higher and heavily performance-based, whereas compensation in a retail bank is more fixed and salary-oriented. Number 13. An investment bank typically has a fast-paced and high-pressure work environment with longer working hours, whereas a retail bank offers a more routine-oriented work environment with regular hours. Number 14. Success in an investment bank is measured by deal value, market share, and client acquisitions, whereas success in a retail bank is measured by customer satisfaction, deposits, and loan growth. Number 15. Examples of investment banks include Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, and the investment banking division of J.P. Morgan, whereas examples of retail banks include HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Wells Fargo, and Chase Bank. Conclusion. Investment banks focus on helping organizations raise funds and manage complex financial transactions, whereas retail banks focus on serving individuals and businesses with everyday banking services. Both are essential to the functioning and growth of the economy, but they operate in very different ways. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.